Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing to share with you. This is a brand new item that just was released this week. As you can see, it is quite a large bag and box, so you might be able to guess what it is. This was an item that I think a lot of people were excited about. So I'm going to get right into the unboxing. This is a true unboxing. I have never seen this in person. Okay. Oh, and she included some perfume samples, which was really nice. It looks like they were tied together but came apart in shipping, but that's okay. I will take a look at those after, because I know this is what everyone wants to see, including me. Okay, so here's the dust bag to reveal. Here is my new Empreinte Neverfull. Oh wow, it is beautiful. So yeah, the Neverfull has never come in Empreinte leather before, and it was just released this week in 3 colors. I originally thought I might get the black just for practicality purposes. However, when she sent me pictures of the cream, I fell in love with it. Let me just undo this. And it's the size. The Neverfull is actually my most used bag, believe it or not. I have 2 of them because I use them for work, and I also have the on the go but I definitely use my Neverfulls the most, and both of them are several years old, so they are definitely showing some wear, which is fine because I've gotten so much the cost per wear for those is amazing because I've gotten so much use out of them. I also use Neverfulls when I travel, which I'm not doing right now, obviously, but yeah, I really needed a new Neverfull, and when I found out they were coming out in Empreinte leather, I thought that would be perfect because all of my work bags are canvas, and when I thought about the color, I thought, you know, I've got the Damier Ebene Neverfull, which is very practical. I have my monogram turquoise V one, which is pretty practical. It has vachetta, but it's still canvas. And my on the go is very practical. So, I mean, I still think this is practical. Empreinte leather is quite durable, but the color isn't quite as practical. But I honestly think this will be so pretty for summer traveling and for, I don't know, just even in the winter, it'll look so pretty, like with my cream colored coat. Anyway, here is the pouch. The Empreinte makes the pouch very sort of malleable. Okay, the interior is microfiber lining, which I love. And here is the information. So that's the price in Canadian, which I didn't think was too bad considering it is leather. Wow, it's so pretty. I'm definitely going to get an organizer for this because it is very soft. The Empreinte leather is quite soft, but oh my gosh, it is really, really pretty. I love it. Let's see where this one was made. It was made in Spain, it looks like. Yes, made in Spain. Yeah, the interior is pretty. The dark brown. I think the black one has a dark blue interior. And then the other color is called Turtle Dove, and it's kind of that taupey gray. I'm not sure what the interior color is for that one. That I wasn't really interested in that color. I was only interested in black or cream. Anyway, I'm going to keep this really short because I just wanted to share this. Let me know what you think. Are you planning on getting one now that these are released? Yeah, I'm really happy I got it. It's really, really pretty. I love it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, Please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much again, and have a great day.